Whether you're self-publishing or just want a stunning design for your manuscript, creating a professional book cover has never been easier. Today I'll show you how to make one in Typeset. No complicated design software required. Log into Typeset and click on Create and then click on eBook or Document. I'm just gonna type in animal word search book cover on Create with AI and let's see what outline that creates for me. You can tweak this, guys. You can make it simpler or more complex. Let's see what Typeset creates for us. As you can see, Typeset has created a cover for us and we can select different layouts. Just click on this button to move the images around, and you can also replace the images using their library of stock images available for you. If you'd like to see a more complete walkthrough of Typeset in action and learn about the special bonuses you'll get when you join using our link, check out the other video linked in the description below. Typeset really goes the extra mile, and even I'm surprised. I just wanted a book cover, but they created the entire book. They even created the word search puzzles for me, complete with images in different sections too. The possibilities and ideas are endless with Typeset. Start creating book covers that stand out on the shelf and online. Use the link in the description below to start designing with Typeset today.